Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. And today we're looking at a property in Riberas and it is an excellent price and this property is beautiful. And the thing that I like most about it is it's kind of like a blank slate. It's got a lot of character, but she kept the decor very simple so that you can go in and you can add your own details to this property. And I feel like the sky is the limit on this property. I mean, you could even build a little casita in the front where you enter from the street and, you know, have the casita in part of the front yard there. Or just keep your front yard as it is. I mean, you can put palm trees in there. You can put vines, whatever. I feel like this is such a beautiful property and every square inch of this place is well cared for. So she has paid attention to every detail and just upkeeps the property very well. She like, you could just tell as soon as you walk in the door that, I mean, the place looks brand new. So, okay, before we get started, I just want to say, check out our bed and breakfast and our cafe in Ajijic Centro, Estrellitas and Gato Feo. They are both located right next door to the Lake Chapala Society, and the cafe is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to the public. The cafe has air conditioning. We probably have the fastest Wi-Fi in town, and the Wi-Fi extends to all of our rooms as well. The rooms also come with refrigerators, microwaves, reverse osmosis water, ensuite bathrooms, a hot breakfast, daily housekeeping, new mattresses, safes, and our smiling faces. So come stay with us if you guys are coming to check out the area. We have incentives for people who are looking to buy here or even for people who are looking to sell. Like if you have an interim where your house sells and you have a few days before you need to go back or whatever the case may be. And you can get more detail on these businesses at my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and you'll also find a link to the Chapala MLS there. So if you want to browse homes that we have on inventory here, you can do that. And if you go to the contact form on my website, you can just fill that out. It will go straight to my email. So if you have any questions or anything, email me there. And let's go check out this property.
Otra vez, esperando otro camión, ya llovió y llegó una oscuridad.
This property is listed for $309,800 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 174 square meters or 1,868 square feet. The lot size is 352 square meters or 3,789 square feet. It is not located in a gated community. It has an optional furniture package, which means you can opt to buy the furniture that's in it separately from the sale of the house. And it's located in Riberas del Pilar.
Y ambulantes se escuchaban gritando, pero nada me pudo distraer de su lindo mirar. La ciudad que nos dio ese encuentro se iluminó con nubes y smog, todo el alrededor. En sus ojos lucían los colores como un reguilete, en su cara una sonrisa de amor que nunca acabará.
All right, guys, here's the house we're looking at today. You'll see that we are in Upper Riberas. And the street that this is located on, because a lot of people know that the streets in Riberas aren't the greatest, but they are starting to fix these up. The more people move in here and the more traffic there is through this area, they're starting to fix all these dirt roads and cobblestones and everything. You can see it throughout, like they're putting interlocking pavers in and whatnot. Okay, so here's the house right here. You'll see that we're about 1 block away from the carretera, which is the highway that leads you all the way from Chapala through Ajijic and over to Jocotepec. So if we zoom back into this house, I just want to show you what's around here. You've got an OXXO right across the street, which is basically like your 7-Eleven. You can pay your phone bill in there, do different things, get some snacks, you know. And then Gato Feo Cafe is a really delicious coffee shop that's in Riberas over here. What else we got through here? We got Huerto Cafe. I mean, you can walk to all this stuff. Huerto Cafe is pretty popular. It's very delicious. Over here we have Mom's Deli, and Pancho's is even kind of walking distance from this house as well. So it's only about a couple blocks away. And then you've also got like a park right over here, right on the water. And this is a very beautiful park. It's small, but it's very nice. And let me think. Yeah, we got a lot going on in here. And then also I want to let you guys know, Riberas is actually known for having a lot of, what do we call them, bazaars here. So a lot of these stores, I mean, you've got maybe like 10 stores through here that have, used furniture, but it's beautiful stuff. And I mean, we love going through there and window shopping in all of these stores because there's some really, really cool stuff like antiques and whatnot. Also, I just want to point out that you have a laboratory here, so if you need to get blood work done or anything like that, you can go straight here. And then San Antonio Hospital is right here, so it's not too far. I would say maybe it's like a 3-minute drive over, and they have emergency services here, ambulances, all of that. You're also not too far from all the happenings in San Antonio. This is a highly desired place to live through here because you can walk to pretty much everything, and there's a lot of really nice stuff in here. You've got a mall, movie theater, food court. La Paseña's delicious and beautiful seafood restaurant. Vicky's Donuts is through here. Best donuts I've ever had in my life. You got Walmart, Domino's if you're into that, into either of those. There's a new Popeyes in the mall too. Anyway, okay, let's see. If we were to drive from this house to, let's say, Pancho's in Riberas, it is a 3-minute drive. You can, I don't know why this is telling you to go this way, but you can also go this way. So, 2 minutes. 2-minute drive. So you could walk there. What is it walking? 8 minutes. Nice. To drive into Ajijic Centro is 13 minutes. To drive into Chapala Centro is 9 minutes. To get to San Antonio Hospital is 3 minutes. To get to Guadalajara International Airport is a 46-minute drive from this house. And to get to Guadalajara Centro is an hour and 26 or an hour and 23-minute drive. And it looks like this one will take you through Tonalá, which is a great place to shop for pretty much anything, home goods or furniture.
All right, everybody, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have questions. And if you want to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. Or if you would like to subscribe, which you totally should, you can click right here. And I will see you guys for the next video. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Y llegó